Severe. Giving it a chance.
Smooth. Good. Smooth. Okay. I'm done. Cut. Okay. See ya. Yeah. There's still more left. Oh boy, yeah. You okay, I'm done.
Hi, what's up? This is Ken. This is my mom. Hi.
Alright. I'm done with enough of it. See ya.
Take it down?
Yeah, she has some too.
Yep. Anyway, see ya.
See ya.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't recommend it.
Alright.